A closed terrarium makes an excellent science project for students of all ages. The terrarium can be used to study the water cycle, the growth of plants, and the interaction of living things in a self-contained environment. Creating a closed terrarium is simple and can be done with a variety of materials. All you need is a clear container such as a jar or a glass aquarium or a plastic container with a lid. You will also need substrate, charcoal, gravels or liquor balls, and plants, and a mesh. Begin by layering the bottom of the container with the gravels or liquor balls. Then add the mesh, then charcoal, and at last substrate. This will provide the necessary drainage and aeration for the plants. The plants can be placed in small pots or directly into the substrate. Be sure to water the plants before closing the terrarium. Once the plants are in place, close the container. You may need to open the container very rarely to water the plants if required. But be careful not to disturb the environment too much. As your terrarium matures, you may start to see the development of a tiny ecosystem. Observe the interactions between the plants, microbes, and other animals such as insects. This is a great way to study the food web and the balance of nature. Finally, observe the changes in plants themselves. Note the changes in their growth, color, and texture. These changes can be observed over time and can be used to study the effects of environment on the plants. A closed terrarium is a great way to study a variety of science topics. With a little bit of effort, you can create an environment that is perfect for learning and exploration. We conduct workshops in schools for students to teach about closed terrariums as a science project. Contact us for more details.